My man Wei! You done good. You restored order to the night market.
Well, you took a chance on me, Winston. I wanted to make sure it paid off.
You got the right attitude. It's gonna pay off for you. You'll see. You know anything about the minibus racket?
Same as everyone. If you want to drive a good route, pay the toll.
That's right. You know the pickup on Marlboro Drive? The most profitable route in the whole fucking city. From now on, it's yours.
Thanks. I appreciate it, Winston.
Dog eyes won't. Right now it's his route. But you know how to deal with it, huh?
It'll be my fucking pleasure.
I gotta take this. Take a few of the guys with you to back you up.
Let's go. Taking over Marlboro Drive. One man per stop. Anybody gives you shit,
Fuck them up.
smack them around, no killing.
What, afraid of little blood?
All guys, this is our stop now.
Yeah, fuckers. So damn Alright, you can with your fist. I'll give you that.
Thanks.
Yeah, we have another guy with us a while back. He was good with his fist too. Came out of nowhere. Good story. Didn't talk much. You remind me of him. A lot. Turned out he was a cop. That's why he couldn't kill anyone, see? So now we know how to spot a rat.
You know that?
You know what they do to traitors, right? When Tong is done with them, he buries them alive. 6 feet under. Nobody coming for you.
Hey, fuck you, Conroy.
I still think about that poor fucker sometimes.
Let's go.
No, you stay here. I'll deal with this. Watch how a real man does it.
Son of a bitch.
You better get them!
Hey, you. You want this route, you gotta pay for it.
Are you stoned? I already paid, dog eyes.
Belongs to Winston now.
Winston? I don't know no Winston.
Pull over and I'll tell you about it.
You're wasting my time.
How about I break your legs and see how you drive then, huh?
I still drive better than you. I finished my rope before you finished picking your nose. Winston must be recruiting dumbass peasant from across the border. You never seen a car before? Go back to your mule before you get hurt.
You gonna do comedy from your hospital bed, pal?
Everybody laugh but you Walter Street boys. You mess with me and dog eyes is going to cut you into little pieces. You want my money? Go ask dog eyes for it.
Hey, listen. This route is mine. You wanna drive a dog?
Okay, I'm going.
Get out of here. I'm taking your passengers.
Okay.
你估發生咩事啊嗱？
There's a slight problem with your bus, so we're doing a change. Don't worry, people. After a quick change of drivers, we're on our way.
我好忙㗎，你知唔知生一生我冇咗幾多錢啊？
This is Five Wood, 你老味！
哇！你做乜嘢啊？
Hang on.
We can't jive this one. Who the hell are these guys? Wei
Police!
Just relax.
Are you on drugs?
你支煙嚟定定幾好啊
The real bus driver never drives like this.